Welcome back, guys, to 509. So today we're back at the track, and as you guys could tell, there's a lot of water, and I'm excited because this is the first year that they're gonna leave it open for the winter because they're gonna rebuild the track in the springtime anyway. So I'm just excited to drive into the puddles. We got the Slash, and I did change the drive shafts. I don't know, drive shaft just keep breaking. I did loosen up the clutch, maybe that'll help a little bit, but definitely going with something else after this. Probably with the MIPs or the Tekno ones. Not really sure which one yet, but most likely the MIP. Also, I did promise one of my subscribers that I'm going to give him a shout out, so go check out Big and Cool RC School. Go give him a follow. I think he just started, so go check out his page. So I'm gonna tighten the clutch a little bit because it is slippy, which is good. That's kind of what I wanted, but now I kind of want to rip the track a little bit. So we're gonna tighten it a little bit. We did break a drive shaft in the rear, so I'm gonna order some MIPs. I mean, I did tighten the clutch and it was wheeling pretty easy, so maybe it broke from the torque, or maybe I just hit something, I'm not really sure. But yeah, this one doesn't even want to focus. So yeah, these ones, I don't know, they suck. So I'm gonna try the MIPs and see how they work out. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked it, and I'll see you guys next time.